Ever since I started making YouTube videos, a problem showed up that I didn't even know existed before. I kept losing SD cards in backpacks and pouches. No protection, no organization. So I decided to fix it with a 3D printed design that's pocket-sized, secure, and actually works on the road. If you do photography, filmmaking, or even 3D printing, you know how frustrating it is when memory cards are everywhere. The final design came down to just 2 parts. The lower tray has precise slots for both SD and microSD cards. Each slot has a small cutout, so you can push lightly with your finger and the card pops out easily. No more shaking or prying them out. The top slides in on rails, clicks into place at the end, and stays locked until you push it open again. And honestly, that click when it closes is just so satisfying. It feels like something you'd actually buy in a store, not just print at home. I've been carrying it for a couple of weeks now, on the road, at shoots, even just around the workshop, and it really makes a difference. The cards stay organized, they don't rattle, and I can grab exactly what I need instantly. That's what I love about 3D printing. Small designs like this can solve real everyday problems, and once you've printed one, you'll probably end up making 2 or 3 for different card sets. If you now feel like printing your own SD card holder, you can grab the files for free on my Ko-fi page, link in the description. But that's not all. I've also designed a version 2 with a hidden feature. Let me show you more about that right now. I printed this one in matte black PLA, but PETG would also work if you want it tougher. Print time is about 40 minutes. Layer height 0.16 mm. No supports needed. It's small enough to fit on any printer, even the Bamboo A1 Mini. But I wanted to take it one step further. Version 2 has an NFC tag hidden underneath. That means when you scan it with your phone, it can link to anything, your portfolio, your YouTube channel, or even just your phone number. And here's the cool part. If you ever lose it, the person who finds it can scan it and instantly see your contact info. So the card holder doesn't just protect your data, it helps protect your cards themselves. I also added a small dot on the front as a design element and an NFC symbol on the back, so that even strangers know the holder can be scanned. If you want to build your own, the files are free on my Ko-fi page. You'll find both STL and step files, so you can even customize the design for your needs. And by the way, all my other projects, from wallets to lamps to organizers, are also available there. And if you don't want to miss the next upgrade or project, hit subscribe. Every week I share new designs that you can actually use. Thanks for watching my video, and see you next time.